In the last 24 hours, the AI world just forever. Forget ChatGPT. Anthropic just released Claude Code, an AI agent that can literally take over your computer and do your job for you. We are no longer in the era of talking to AI. We are in the era of AI actually doing the work. Let's see if it's actually ready to replace us. Here, Claude 3.5 Sonnet and computer use. Now, let's dive deep to the most mind-blowing update of the year, Claude 3.5 Sonnet's new computer use capability. For the first time, we are seeing an AI that doesn't just talk to you, but actually works alongside you. When Anthropic announced this, the tech world went silent, because this is the first frontier model to move beyond the chat box. Historically, AI could only interact through text or code. If you wanted it to do something on a website, it needed an API connection. But Claude 3.5 Sonnet is different. It uses a new API that allows it to perceive and interact with standard computer interfaces. How does it actually work? It's fascinating and a bit scary at the same time. The AI takes constant screenshots of your desktop. It then uses its vision capabilities to identify icons, buttons, text fields, and menu bars. It calculates the precise pixel coordinates to move the mouse cursor, clicks on the right spot, and types information just like a human would. In their demonstration, Anthropic showed Claude taking data from a messy spreadsheet, opening a browser, navigating to a CRM site, logging in, and manually entering each piece of data into a form. It even handled a situation where it made a mistake, realized it, and corrected its own action. This isn't just automation, it's reasoning in real time. But let's talk about the practical use cases for you. Imagine you are a researcher. You can tell Claude, go to these 5 different news websites, find the latest articles on renewable energy, summarize them into a Word document, and email that document to my manager. Claude will open Chrome, search the sites, open Word, type the summary, and send the email through your Outlook, all while you grab a coffee. For developers, this is even more revolutionary. Claude can now navigate through a terminal, look at a local website you are building, identify a bug on the screen, go back into the code editor, and fix the line of code. However, we must address the elephant in the room: security and latency. Currently, this feature is in public beta because it's still a bit slow. There is a delay because the process each screenshot before making a move. More importantly, giving an AI control over your mouse and keyboard raises massive privacy concerns. Anthropic has implemented safety filters to prevent the AI from engaging in high-risk activities like social media posting or financial transactions without supervision. This computer use feature marks the beginning of the AI agent era. We are no longer using tools. We are hiring digital employees. This is why Claude 3.5 Sonnet is currently leading the race against GPT-4o and Gemini 1.5 Pro. It has proven that it can bridge the gap between digital thought and digital action. To stay updated on this new era of AI, stay with us. If you like today's video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which AI tool you want to see next. Thank you.